As you may know, it remains a very competitive market out there, especially in certain price points. So, very exciting for us when one of our clients this week, a veteran, got his VA offer with zero down accepted over several other offers, including all cash offers. But the kicker on this one is that the veteran didn't think he even qualified for a VA loan because he had lost his home during the 2010 housing crisis when he had a VA loan on it. Therefore, he thought it disqualified him from ever having a VA loan again. But it's not true because it all comes down to entitlement. See, entitlement, and specifically bonus entitlement, is tied to the conforming loan limits that gradually increase year over year as home values go up. So while it's true that for a period of time, the veteran would have been unable to purchase a home with zero down, since the home values have gone up, he can now purchase this condo for $576,000 with zero down if he chooses. So whether it's getting an offer accepted, a VA offer with zero down accepted over several other offers, which has to do with strategy and posturing of the offer, or just learning how to best use your entitlement. If you are a veteran or know somebody who is, have them contact me so I can help them with this. Because think of entitlement as an ammo clip that gets reloaded as home values go up, restoring entitlement and the veteran's purchasing power. Be happy to talk to them about it. Let me know.